How to activate your American Express card online. Hi everyone, I'm Hatsu60 today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and go to this website of activation card in American Express. Then here, click on confirm card. After you've clicked on confirm card, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here you will need to enter your details to set up your card. Simply type in the 15-digit card number that is in your card and then 4-digit card ID. Then press on confirm. After you pressed on confirm, after that, if there is identity verification, simply do it. And then after you've done that, you will need to create a PIN. After you have done that, your card will be activated. It's not available in my region, so I won't be able to show the process, but that is the process. This is how to activate your American Express card online. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.